If you are looking for seeds that will take your cooking to a whole new level, I would definitely take a look at this package of seeds from Oregano Republic. We were super excited when they sent them to us to try out. So I just want to show you what you will get in your culinary herb seeds. There's 12 different packages, 7,355 seeds in this bag. They send you this really cute, but also useful, cute and useful set of tools for your seeds. It helps you harvest them, plant them, because these are all heirloom seeds. They are grown here in the United States by a small family business. So I love that even more than I love the seeds. They come in a waterproof envelope. So when they're shipped to you, this is a waterproof envelope. But in the packet is what I'm so excited. It's a different variety of things that I've always wanted to try. So if you are going to go purchase these individually at the store, for one, you would not be getting the quality because these are all non-GMO. You can grow them indoor and outdoor. And on the back of the envelopes, there's QR codes that you can scan, and it gives you growing tips and guide for each seed. They have a 90% germination rate. But look at all of these different varieties. So here for the basil alone, you have Thai basil, Italian basil, purple basil. There's Italian parsley, cilantro, oregano. All of this comes in one envelope. I'm just super excited. I just added a indoor garden to our house, one of those hydro gardens. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to grow some cilantro in it. So if you're looking for some seeds that are high quality, have a great germination rate, US grown, I would super recommend the Oregano Republic. The quality that they put out is fantastic.